Welcome, welcome, welcome. It's Dimple's News with the latest news. Please remember to smash that like, leave a comment, share, and subscribe. With the latest news today, we have police sergeant electrocuted while trimming tree. Trump say he's considering ways to serve a third term as president. Those are the topics. Police have identified a cop who was electrocuted in the Eltham Acres section of Spanish Town, St. Catherine on Sunday evening. The deceased is Sergeant William Wallace, assigned to the Protective Services Division. It is understood that Wallace was trimming an almond tree in his yard that was close to a high-tension wire when he was electrocuted. He was pronounced dead at the scene. And up next we have President Trump says he's considering ways to serve a third term as president. President Donald Trump said Sunday that I'm not joking about trying to serve a third term. The clearest indication he is considering ways to breach a constitutional barrier against continuing to lead the country after his second term ends at the beginning of 2029. There are methods which you could do it, Trump said in a telephone interview with NBC News from his private club. He elaborated later to the reporter on Air Force One from Florida to Washington that I have had more people ask me to have a third term, which in a way is a fourth term because the other election, the 2020 election, was totally rigged. Trump lost that election to Democrat Joe Biden. The Second Amendment, added to the Constitution in 1951 after President Franklin D. Roosevelt was elected 4 times in a row, says no person shall be elected to the office of the president more than twice. And the 12th Amendment says no person constitutionally ineligible to the office of president shall be eligible to that of vice president of the United States. So according, unless he's going to breach these amendments, it's not possible. Leave your thoughts in the comment section and let me know what you guys think. Thanks for watching, and please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Peace.